Do you have a tractor attachment that uses a bushing for the bottom attachment pin? And you know that every time you unhook it, you put the bushing back and then put the pin back to hold it in place? But the next time you use it, it's always magically gone. Well, I got a fix for that. So this is a category 1 pin. And what happens when you get that bushing, it turns it into a category 2 pin. So you're gonna go to Tractor Supply, you're gonna get a category 1-2, and what that means is this pin diameter here is now category 2, but your thread size is going to be category 1, so it can fit in your implement.